Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to tell you about one sample sign test. Okay, na? So sign test I'm going to tell you. So it was the simplest of the entire non-parametric test. Okay, this is very simple in all non-parametric test. As the name suggests, what the name is sign test. Sign in the sense what? Plus or minus. Okay, so that's why we have written this one. As the name suggests, it is based on the signs plus or minus, okay, of the observation of the deviations rather than the exact magnitude of the variable values. Here we don't consider the numeric values, only we want the signs, whether it may be plus or minus, that's it. Okay, for example, here I will tell you one example. For example, here you see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and here median is, we'll think, this is example only, median is 6, we'll think. Okay, for example, here we have to subtract from each observation this median. So 2 minus 6 is nothing but minus 4. Here we don't concentrate on 4, only we want the sign. Deviation in the sense what? Observations minus median is called as deviations, and 4 minus 6, 6 minus 6, 8 minus 6, 10 minus 6. Okay, here you see 4 minus 6, 6 minus 6. Okay, next 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is nothing but 2. That plus 2. That means we want only the plus sign. No need of this 2. No need of this numeric values. We want only the plus or minus. Only signs we want. We don't want the magnitude. Magnitude in the sense what? Numerical value. We don't want all those things. Okay. So sign test in the sense only we concentrate on the signs. Okay, it is used to test the hypothesis concerning the median for one population. That means here we'll consider the median. Okay, median we'll consider. Suppose we want to test the hypothesis that median, neta. Here we are treating median as neta. Okay, of the population as a specified value, say neta 0. Okay, so here median is denoted with neta and that value is denoted with neta 0. That is null hypothesis. Under null hypothesis, here we are taking that both the medians are equal. Okay, and here not equal. Alternative hypothesis. Okay, so here sign test is nothing but here we concentrate only on the signs, not on the magnitude. And here we considered first median. Okay, so after taking the median value, we minus that median value from the observations. Okay, and here we considered that median as neta 0. Okay, and under null hypothesis we take that neta and neta not equal. Alternative in the sense that both are not equal. Now we'll see the procedure, how we'll do this one. Okay, see, let x1, x2 and so on xn be a random sample of size n from the given population. Okay, so from the population we have collected sample. Okay, those observations are x1, x2 and so on xn. Okay, with median, and with median is denoted with what? Neta. So neta equals to neta 0 under null hypothesis. Okay, so here we consider what is null hypothesis. Now what we have to do is we have to subtract this median, subtract this median value from each exercise in the sense what? From each observations, as I told you here, these are called as x1, x2 and so x3 and so on. Okay, here x6 is nothing but neta 0 according to this example. So we have to minus, okay, and write plus sign if the deviation is positive. Okay, here we got plus 2 now, so that means what? We have to write plus only, no need of writing 2. Negative sign for minus if the deviation is negative. Okay, 0. Here we see 6 minus 6 is 0. So if we get 0, we have to write 0. Okay, so according to the median, so median definition is nothing but if you are taking median in some series. Here one sequence is there, sequence of numbers we are taking here. For example, you take this number only. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we are treating this median as 6. That means what? Half of the values are less than median and half of the values are greater than median. So that is the definition of median. Okay, so median in the sense what? Exactly half of the observations will be less than the median value and half of the values will be more than the median value. So that's why we have written here x greater than median. That means some observations, x greater than observations means some observations will be greater than median and some observations will be less than median. Those both will be equal to 1 by 2. Why? Because we told that median will be in the middle, in the center. Okay, so that's why half values will be less than, half values will be more than. So that's why we have taken these both values as 1 by 2, or else we can also say that 0.5. Okay, so thus under null hypothesis, so what we have taking under null hypothesis, we take that neta equals to neta 0. Okay, so we have what? These probability values greater than, less than, greater than median. Median is denoted with what? According to this formula. So here in place of median we are writing this neta 0. Okay, so that's why this formula is changed as like this. So probability of x greater than neta naught or neta 0 equals to probability of x less than neta 0 equals to half or 1 by 5. So hence if H naught is true, that means null hypothesis is true. Null hypothesis is true in the sense what? Neta should be equals to neta naught. Okay, so if it is true, then what we say? Then the number of plus signs should be approximately equal to number of minus signs. That means if this statement is correct, so at that time we should, what we have to do? Number of plus signs and number of minus signs should be equal. Okay, so then only H naught will be true. Okay, that means we accept H naught. So this is the main procedure of sign test. Okay, so actual procedure. So what we did here, nothing but sign test in the sense here we concentrate only on the signs. Okay, so we no need of concentrating on magnitude. Magnitude in the sense numbers, numeric values. Okay, so here the procedure. So according to the procedure, if it is plus, we'll indicate with the plus. If it is negative, we indicate with a minus. If it is 0, we write 0. Okay, so according to the definition of median, here we take median value. So from median, so observations will be subtracted from the median. According to that only we can say whether it is plus or minus. Okay, so median formula, median definition is nothing but some values will be less than median value, some values will be greater than median value. So that's why we have written that greater than, less than equals to 1 by 2. Okay, so this is actual procedure. Okay, now we'll see. If it is, we have two samples, large sample and small sample. So actually large sample in the sense greater than 30, small sample in the sense less than 30, n less than 30. But here in sign test we don't treat small sample less than 30. Here we write 25. Okay, so sample size should be n less than or equals to 25. Actually small sample meaning, what is a small sample meaning? Small sample meaning is n less than or equals to n less than 30. Okay, now small sample meaning is n less than 30. But in sign test, n should be less than or equals to 25. Then only we call it as a small sample. Only in sign test. Okay, not in all the test. Okay, so the procedure is first we have to set the hypothesis. So that is nothing but null hypothesis. We take both are equal. Neta equals to neta naught. Okay, next alternative hypothesis. Here we took equals to. So here automatically we take not equals to. So next what we have to do is we have to compute t plus t minus. So what is t plus t minus in the sense? How many positive signs are there in the series, in the given sum? Okay, so how many positive signs are there? We have to count and we have to treat it as t plus. How many negative signs are there? We have to treat that one as t minus. So that is the meaning of t plus and t minus. Okay. Next is, and if we get 0, we should not count it. Okay. Next, test statistic in the sense, here the formula is t equals to minimum of t plus comma t minus. Okay. Next, critical region. Here t value should be less than or equal to tc. So tc is nothing but it is a table value. So we have to check the table value at the given level of significance. Okay, na? So t in the sense what we get. Tc in the sense what? Table value at the given level of significance. Okay, if t less than or equals to tc, then reject h naught. Okay, so if this statement is true, then we have to reject. Otherwise, we have to accept null hypothesis. H naught in the sense what? Nothing but null hypothesis. So this is about what? Small sample test. Now we'll see what is large sample. So large sample, here what we considered, n less than or equals to 25. No, this is small sample. Then what about large sample? N should be greater than 25. Okay, that means from 26 onwards it comes under large sample. Okay, so if n is large, we use normal distribution. So large samples, for any large sample, we use normal distribution. Okay, so approximation to the binomial distribution. So we don't use their binomial distribution. Okay, we use their normal distribution. Instead of binomial, we use their normal distribution for large sample. Okay, hence for large sample, the test statistic is, the formula is, see, if positive signs are less than n by 2. So what is n by 2 in the sense here? Nothing but how many plus signs, how many minus signs. We have to add those both. That is called as n. Okay, nothing but sample size. Okay, after eliminating 0. Okay, so if t plus less than n by 2, the formula is this one, z equals to, as large sample follows normal distribution is denoted with z. So the formula is z equals to t plus 0.5 minus n by 2 whole by 1 by 2 into root 2. That follows normal distribution with mean 0. Normal distribution mean is 0 and its variance is 1. Okay, so if t plus greater than n by 2, then z equals to t plus minus, t plus in the sense what? Positive signs, minus 0.5 whole minus n by 2 by 1 by 2 into root n. That follows normal distribution with mean 0 and 1. We have to read this one as that follows. N means normal distribution, 0 indicates the mean value and 1 indicates the variance value. Okay, and this conclusion is, if calculated value z, that means what we get the value here or here according to the problem, greater than critical value of z. Critical value of the z in the sense nothing but table value at given level of significance, we reject h naught. Okay, if this condition satisfies, at that time we reject h naught. That means we reject null hypothesis. If the condition is false, we accept null hypothesis. Okay, so I hope everybody understood this procedure. Okay, in the next video I'll explain the problems regarding small test and large sample test also. Okay, so hope you all understand. If you are newly watching my video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and also don't forget to like my channel. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.